Welcome to Josh's Green Garage. So this video, I'm actually out here with the 758. The road here is a bit torn up where I'm at. I do want to start this video out saying I got permission from the road commissioner for this area to do this. I'm not being paid anything. I'm getting tired of driving around this, so I'm just doing it for my own sake, and I'm sure everyone will appreciate it. But I got the box blade. I'm just going to try to smooth this out. I also want to say I understand that to really remove potholes, which I have some others that I'm going to remove on the road, to do that you got to dig down under them. I get that. I don't know that on a road like this the 758 is going to be able to go that deep, but we'll see what we can do. So please don't yell at me. I understand I'm only filling these back in, not so much removing them. So let's get to it. pretty good. Not perfect. I could work on it a bit more, but it gets the job done since I'm not being paid or anything. At least you can drive over it now without destroying your vehicle. So this is the second spot I started at. It had some pretty deep potholes in it that I just wanted to kind of fill in. There's still a big dip right here. It's pretty bad, but I'm not going to be able to fill that. I can't dig down deep enough, and there's just not enough spare gravel around to pull into it. But it is definitely better than it was. And that is my video of the X758 using the Frontier 2048 box blade. It worked out pretty good. I didn't think it was gonna do so well in that hard packed of a ground. The second spot that I did, it was definitely more compacted. There wasn't soft spots there. So that was just deep potholes that I was trying to fill. So I had a hard time breaking through that. That box blade doesn't weigh all that much compared to the bigger ones you can get. I mean, it's made for garden tractors like this. You know, it's made for the small subcompacts. So it's not gonna be like, you know, a 500, 600, 700 pound box blade. It's just not that big. But it did a great job for what I did. The softer spots, it did awesome. I actually ended up doing a third spot, and it did pretty well there. Again, I understand you got to go all the way down the depth of a pothole to really get it out of the ground. But for what I was trying to accomplish, at least make the road a little more drivable for a little bit, I think it'll be all right until they can get a road grader through here. So all in all, pretty happy with it. You don't see a lot of videos of these using this box blade, so hopefully if this is something you were looking for, hopefully it's you know, what you were looking for. At that rate, I was pretty impressed with how the 758 handled it. It did get slowed up, I think, one good time, and the reason was, like, that blade can hold a lot of gravel and dirt, so it gets pretty heavy on it, and I had the scarifiers all the way down, so they were digging as deep as they could, which isn't a lot compared to what my ripper would do, but when you figure that in with the weight of the gravel and everything, it's quite a bit. So and hydraulically lifted it great. I didn't have any issues. It was a pretty sweet gig. It worked out really well. So at that, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good one.